Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to say goodnight in Nepali. Whether you are traveling to Nepal, learning Nepali or just want to impress your Nepali speaking friends, this is the perfect phrase to know. So let's get started. To say goodnight in Nepali, we say Shubha Ratri. It is pronounced as Shubha Ratri. Let's break it down. Shubha means good or auspicious and Ratri means night. So together Shubha Ratri literally translates to a good night. Now repeat after me. Shubha Ratri. Shubha Ratri. Here are a few examples of how good night can be used in Nepali conversations from my website. A person in their home saying good night to their family before going to bed. Son. Shubha Ratri Ama means good night mom. Ama means mom. And mom. Shubha Ratri Babu. It means good night son. Casual conversation. Good night, see you tomorrow. Shubha Ratri Bholi Bhetaula. Shubha Ratri Bholi Bhetaula. Next one, conversation between friends. I'm going to bed now. Good night. म सुत्न गइरहेको छु. Shubha Ratri. म सुत्न गइरहेको छु. Shubha Ratri. Next one, formal conversation. Thank you for your time. Good night. तपाईको समयको लागि धन्यवाद. Shubha Ratri. तपाईको समयको लागि धन्यवाद. Shubha Ratri. Next one we have romantic conversation. Good night my love. Shubha Ratri मेरो मायालु. Shubha Ratri मेरो मायालु. In casual settings, instead of saying Shubha Ratri, you may hear people simply say Ramrari Sutnu. Ramrari Sutnu, which means sleep well. While Shubha Ratri is a more formal way to say good night, Ramrari Sutnu is perfect for friends or family. For example, Ramrari Sutnu Dai. Ramrari Sutnu Dai means sleep well brother. Dai means brother. Elder brother. Now another example. Ramrari Sutnu Sathi. Sleep well friend. Sleep well friend. Sathi means friend. Now you know how to say goodnight in Nepali. Whether you use Shubha Ratri or Ramrari Sutnu, your Nepali friends and family will surely appreciate the effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more language learning tips. Until next time, Shubha Ratri.